Right, YouTubers, if you've had the problem of wonky skirting boards, this is something I saw on YouTube and it does work really well. You get a sheet of 5mm ply and you get your local store to slice it up into 3-inch strips. You cut them, you jam them up against the wall, you drill it and screw it, glue it together, and the next morning you take it off and sand the top and bottom. And what you'll end up with is a bespoke wonky skirting board that fits your wall really rather nicely. So I just got to seal and screw that on and put the quadrant on the bottom of it, and it's done. And it looks time consuming and fiddly and faffy, but it's not going to take too long. Actually, now I've got the hang of it. A slight complication. The idea of doing all that stuff with the ply was to give myself a sort of a smooth surface to nail this scotia onto, and it still won't quite bend round, so I'm trying steaming it in a pan. Had a few minutes there. I've pre-drilled a couple of holes and put some pins in, ready to really nail it down right quick, and we'll see if it's going to work. Okay, fail. It was never going to happen. Had to think of another plan. My first plan was espresso, but that didn't really help that much, to be honest. I did come up with another plan, which was just to bond 2 more strips of ply on the bottom there and pin them on. The downside is it's a faff. The upside is now I've got 5 layers of ply at the bottom here bonded together with wood glue. I suspect my skirting board is stronger than the foundations of the house. Anyway, I'm quite okay with the way it looks, the way it's turning out. Just going to take more time than I thought, but that's always the way. Yeah, when it's filled and painted, and you know, it's going to look good.